they left a small curtain of trees. It's a curtain on the main road. Inside, there is no forest. So whoever we get inside the forest must be punished.
Uganda Wildlife Authority has officially taken over the management of Bugoma Central Forest Reserve, following the government's transfer of the forest from the Ministry of Water and Environment to the Ministry of Tourism, Wildlife and Antiquities, which is UWA's mother ministry. Presiding over the handover ceremony in Chikube district, Prime Minister Robert Nabanja said the decision follows a directive from President Museveni intended to halt increasing destruction, illegal activities, and encroachment within the forest.
I direct Owagamba Nyuwi that Uganda Wildlife Authority takes over the role of protecting that forest. All the encroachers must be evicted without exception. I used to fly over Bugoma Forest when we had just come from the bush. There was no human settlement, just as was the case in Zoka Forest. Therefore, all encroachment is recent and deliberate, knowing that they are invading a government property. They must go. And no talk of compensation. That would tantamount to impunity. Let us upgrade Bugoma Forest into a national park to accord it maximum protection.
Tourism Minister Tom Butime described Bugoma as an important ecosystem that plays a major role in biodiversity protection relied upon by surrounding communities.
Bugoma Forest is one of Uganda's critical natural ecosystems. The forest plays an important role in biodiversity conservation, climate regulation, rainfall formation, and protection of water catchment systems that support communities and economic activities within the region and beyond. Yegi enjole yerukugwa egyo negwa habwa omugisa kandi negwa habwa Bugoma Forest. The President's intervention demonstrated government's determination to safeguard Uganda's environmental heritage and ensure that this important ecosystem is protected for present and future generations. I also wish to appreciate the Ministries of Water and Environment for cooperation and coordination extended during the consultations leading to this important transition. The Uganda Wildlife Authority is an agency under the Ministry of Wildlife and Antiquities, has over the years demonstrated strong capacity, professionalism in protected area management, law enforcement, ecological restoration, wildlife protection, and community conservation.
Executive Director of UWA, Dr. James Msinguzi, says response teams have already been deployed to strengthen security in forest and curb any further encroachments.
We are deploying immediately personnel, equipment, because we are going to be having personnel on the ground that are going to be doing patrols. We are going to be having drones in the air that are going to be able to patrol. We are also going to be having aerial surveillance using our aeroplane to be able to see what is happening. The cardinal responsibility of taking over is to ensure we stop any illegal activities that is taking place right now. We have had a tour of the forest and we have seen a lot of charcoal burning, we have seen a lot of crops, and as directed by the Prime Minister, those cannot happen anymore. And so the immediate deployment means that all encroachers, all intruders will be arrested and prosecuted according to the law. I therefore want to call upon all stakeholders to work with us in ensuring that we maintain the integrity of Bugoma Central Forest Reserve.
On behalf of His Excellency General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni and the government of Uganda, I hereby officially transfer the management of Bugoma Central Forest Reserve from the Ministry of Water and Environment to Uganda Wildlife Authority under the Ministry of Tourism, Wildlife and Antiquities for God and my country.
The development comes at a time when conservationists continue to raise concern over illegal logging, charcoal burning, and land grabbing activities that have heavily affected sections of the forest over the years. Scovia Msimento, reporting from Bugoma Forest.